Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. Hope you're all doing really well. We're in the lovely Marmaris and we're near Bar Street. We're just going to head to the bazaar, so I thought I'd take you guys along and see if we can pick up some bargains. So let's see Wagwan, you guys all know the vibe. Got a really nice little restaurant there, got all the pretty umbrellas, really nice. So yeah, we just came from Bar Street. Just went like along the marina basically. We got all the sort of boats. Really, really nice. Get your teeth whitened. All the fun stuff. Well, they're quite nice trousers, aren't they? Very flared. Got your nice trunks there, your proper travel sets. Nice outfits. Got loads of these statues around here. Has he got a camera? Filming you, mate. Filming you. Right, so which way are we going to head? The bazaars are quite big here. And we learned so much the last time we came here. So they're colour coded. So there's like a system to the madness. And lots of people bring their suitcases, fill them up, go home.
The museum, up to the museum and the castle.
Museum in the castle. Comment below if you've done that. Well, that's quite cool, isn't it? Look at that. He's got his wellies on. Don't think he'll need them in this weather. The bars and restaurants. Hello. Nice and fresh in that one. Right, so that's where we've just come from.
Right, so we go.
Yeah.
We're going right, and then we're going to the bazaar.
And then we're going into the bazaar. So we just went round that way, basically. There we go. Got all the boats. Nice bit of water. And we're going straight in there. So the Grand Bazaar. Right, so let's have a look. Let's go shopping. Don't forget to subscribe. Really does help push the content. If you like what we're doing, give it a comment, thumbs up, all that good stuff. Share with your friends and family. Right, so at the moment, I believe we're on what, the purple or pink? Let's have a look. Hello. Good for now, thank you. So we're going to have a little wander down first, figure out what we've got on this sort of like first colour coding system, and then we'll come back to the ones that sort of caught my eye. So down there, I'm guessing you've got yellow. I'll just go show you guys that we're heading down this one. So you've got your bags, shoes, jewellery. So many shops. Got all you like knickknacks in there. Again, I don't really need much, so this is more for Kirk's benefit. Might pick myself up a few things, but I'm not going crazy. Right, and then you've got green. Again, I will try and figure out what all of these are. We're staying down this one. Hello. Got all the bags. Nice to meet you. I'm good, thank you. Again, more of your clothes. So we want to try and get the best prices we can possible. All your perfumes.
Welcome to Turkey.
Thank you. Polos. And then we come to this like little square bit out here. And then as you can see, you've got, oh, make sure you guys can see, it's not like my camera. And then you've got like the pink going down there. And then we'll just go around just so you can see what's in this like little square bit. And we'll head back and have a look at those shops that I just went by. So this is like the open bit, kids belt there. There we go. Right, let's get some bartering done. That's the main bit, really, isn't it? Get the bartering done. Right, so we want clothing. Let's have a look, we've got some jeans here. Oh, nice and air-conned. So you've got like your Tommy, Hugo. Don't know if he really wants jeans, but we do want tops. Not bad. These ones a little bit more basic. I do like the colours. And then you've got your North Face. Got these ones, just say Boss. Right, let's get some prices. So we've got like a price point for you, and you can see what we're working with. Hello. How much for? What was I looking at?
I'll tell you, we have usually fixed prices.
Okay.
Any t-shirt you pick from here, it's only £10.
Only £10. Can you have some wriggle room?
This is the, we try to keep the best price. Of course, if you get 5, you'll get 1 gift.
Okay.
No discount still, 1 gift.
One gift,
Remember,
no discount, one
you get
gift.
5, you
There
pay
you go.
£50, but you get 6.
Okay, so it's like you're getting one for free.
Yes.
Okay,
Same in here as well.
thank you. Let's have a look at those ones.
We don't say more expensive, same price. £10 each.
Yeah.
You get 5, you get 1 gift.
Okay, thank you.
Any brand. Lacoste, Tommy Hilfiger, Polo, Boss, Stone Island, Threadberry,
Yeah,
Ralph Lauren, Gant, Montclair, Stone Island, Lacoste.
lovely. Thank you very much. And what about for like the hoodies?
We have the best quality in Marmaris, literally when you feel it,
Yeah.
Between 25, 30, 20. So we got 3 prices.
Okay.
So roughly this is classic ones with a good stitching. Please go
Yeah.
closer. You can see how thick stitch are.
Okay.
These are £25. Well, yeah, 25. This is 20, 25.
2025. Okay, and that's for all sizes. If you wanted to get an XL or
all 5 different color in each of them.
yeah.
5 different color in each of them. Blackley, Boss, Stone Island, Montclair represent, New represent, Oasis one, Ralph Lauren, Casablanca, Montclair, CP Company, Stone Islands, Hugo Boss,
All of it.
yeah, all of them.
And these ones as well. They're the same.
Thick quality t-shirt, you know them, thick quality ones.
Right, slightly warmer. Yeah.
These are literally 20, 25.
Okay, so the slightly thicker ones a little bit more.
Yeah, you can tell.
Yeah.
Not like the other ones.
Okay.
Regular t-shirt.
Yeah.
See.
There we
This
go.
t-shirt, we sell here, feel the quality, only £25, but the same stuff from same factory,
Yeah.
which is the shop say with luxury or
Yeah.
this kind of, they're
Yeah.
selling £45.
Okay,
We
so you're
sell
getting it
here
at sort of half
25.
price. Yeah.
Because we're in same shop for 22 years in same shop, if you can tell from the.
Yeah. Mm. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you very much.
Okay. So yeah, not bad prices, and like you said, the quality, you can feel the sort of difference in the thickness, which obviously we're going back to a colder country, so I would prefer something a little bit more thicker. And then you've got your jackets as well, got your White Fox. How much, are these the same price, these hoodies, the female?
It's a kid's structure.
Oh, well, these are kids.
Ladies hoodie there, £20.
Ah, thank you.
£20, whatever it is.
So £20 for the lady ones. My daughter wanted a baby blue, so we'll have a look for that.
Blackley, Aloe, Ralph
Yeah.
Lauren Essential,
Hello.
White Fox, Aloe, Ada. This, what you call this? brand?
I don't know. So you got it all.
Sisters.
And then you've got your like bomber jackets and your thick winter jackets.
Raincoat.
Nice,
another
yeah.
goose.
Got your sort of fur hoods and everything. Very, very nice. It's not shopping for me, I'm shopping for my partner, so he's just gone the other side, so I'll let him know the prices.
Ladies.
And then you've got the lady coats as well.
Very, very good jackets.
Yeah, very
Very
nice.
good jackets.
We'll need it when we go back home. Thank you very, very much. And the name of the store?
Brand's Boutique.
Lovely. Thank you so
We
much
go
for your
all
help.
brands in Brand's Boutique.
Oh, thank you. So there we go. So that was our first one. Really good quality in there. Right, so we've done tops. We also wanted to get some bags. This is going to be more for me now. So we wanted to get like a little female man bag for Amber. And we're still in the pink section. So I've stayed in my little zone. Let's have a look in this one. So she wants a little female side bag. I'm looking for a bag for my daughter, but she wants one of those like sport bags, like the little ones you can put on the side. Any design, just
Like this sister?
kind of, but more sporty. So more like I don't know, like Nike or Adidas or something like that.
Like,
But female colours.
like this?
Kind of, but you know the ones that are,
Yeah, I see it.
yeah. Yeah, more like that sort of style,
I'm not the price for it.
but a little bit more,
Different color?
yeah, and designer, a little bit more better quality.
I look up one meat. Wait, I look up.
Thank you.
You look up. You sit here.
Yeah. Have a little look round here. So you've got your sandals. Yeah, quite nice, just plain black. We're coming out of the sandal season now though. Oh, lovely. Found there, need this. Whew. So yeah, trying to get our bargains. So we had a look at the bags next door, not bags, sorry, got bags on the brain. So we had a look at the tops and everything. Like he explained, there is a sort of quality system. So certain things will be cheaper because of the quality. None?
You like coats maybe?
Yes,
we have many more nice ones.
Yeah, I'll have a little look. Thank you for your help. That's nice. That's not really her style.
We have here.
Ah, yeah.
Nice coats.
Thank you. Big selection. I'll keep looking, but thank you so much for your help. So we're still on the hunt for Amber. She wants a certain style, so we want to make sure we get that for her. There we go. So you've got more of like the coats and the jackets, shoes and trainers. No. And then you've got your like perfumes and everything. Hello. So you've got another clove one there. Like I said, we just did that, so I know Kirk's going to be looking for himself as well, so I'll let him find his own outfits. Right, so we've got another bag one, so let's see if they've got the style that we're looking for in here.
We have that side also. Which side you're looking?
Let's have a look.
Take video. Yes, that.
Very nicely designed out. So these are more like the handbags and stuff. She didn't want a handbag, she wants more of like a casual sort of side. I don't know what they're called. For me, I like the more sort of like the handbags. But she doesn't really go out that much, so she wants something more practical for the day. Nice little tote bags there. What I might have to do is take some photos and then she can let me know what she's after. Okay. I might have to go into like a sport one, which would probably make more sense because that's the sort of style she's wanting. So maybe that's... Yes. You are?
Yes, you want to see?
No, I'm okay, thank you. All the football tops, yes.
Jamaica is there.
Which one?
Maybe we sell.
Ah, is it gone? Ah, that's okay, don't worry. Thank you. Right, so I'm going to end it here because I'm going to go to the next colour code system and do it, like I said, each colour code, and quickly message Amber and see what sort of style she wants so I can get her the right bag. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all the good stuff, and I'll see you on the next one.